Hi guys, welcome to Cool Product, where today we're exploring the top 5 best digital laser distance meter, perfect for construction, interior design, or DIY projects. We'll break down each model's features and performance in detail. Let's get started. At number 5, we have the Deli EDL4171 digital laser distance meter. The Deli EDL4171 digital laser distance meter is a precision measuring tool designed to deliver reliable results for professionals and everyday users alike. Built with advanced laser technology, it offers ultra-high precision measurements extending up to 120 meters, making it suitable for a wide range of applications in construction, interior design, and engineering projects. Accuracy is a defining feature of this device. With data precision reaching up to plus or minus 3 millimeters, users can trust the meter to provide dependable readings even in demanding environments. This level of accuracy ensures that measurements are consistent, reducing errors and enhancing efficiency in tasks that require exact dimensions. The Deli EDL4171 also incorporates practical storage capabilities. It can save up to 30 sets of measurement data, allowing users to record, review, and manage multiple readings without the need for external notes or repeated measurements. This feature streamlines workflows and supports better organization during complex projects. Compact and user-friendly, the digital laser distance meter combines advanced functionality with ease of use. Its design emphasizes convenience, enabling quick operation while maintaining high standards of performance. Whether used for professional site work or home improvement tasks, the Deli EDL4171 provides the precision and reliability needed to achieve accurate results. Next up, at number 4, we have the Mileseey D2 digital laser distance meter. The Mileseey D2 digital laser distance meter is a versatile measuring device designed to deliver precision and convenience across a wide range of applications. With selectable ranges of 40 meters or 120 meters, it adapts easily to both compact indoor projects and larger outdoor spaces, making it suitable for diverse measurement needs. Powered by batteries, the D2 offers portability and ease of use, allowing users to carry it anywhere without reliance on external power sources. Its compact design ensures that it can be operated comfortably in various environments, from construction sites to home improvement projects. Accuracy is a defining feature of this device. With a measurement precision of plus or minus 2 millimeters, the D2 provides reliable readings that support tasks requiring exact dimensions. This level of accuracy enhances efficiency and reduces the risk of error in professional and personal projects alike. For added flexibility, the meter supports unit conversion between meters, feet, and inches. This feature simplifies communication and documentation, ensuring compatibility with different standards and user preferences. Safety is also built into the design. The D2 employs a Class 2 laser, which emits a low-power beam that enables precise targeting while maintaining safe operation. This ensures users can measure confidently without risk during extended use. Compact, accurate, and adaptable, the Mileseey D2 digital laser distance meter combines advanced technology with user-friendly features, making it a dependable tool for anyone seeking efficient and precise distance measurement. Taking the third spot is the Surgoal PG-60 digital laser distance meter. The Surgoal PG-60 digital laser distance meter is a multifunctional measuring device engineered for precision and efficiency. With a measuring range of 0.05 meters to 60 meters or up to 120 meters, it adapts to both small-scale indoor projects and larger outdoor applications. Its measurement accuracy of plus or minus 2.0 millimeters ensures dependable results across diverse tasks. Designed for versatility, the PG-60 supports single, maximum, minimum, and continuous measurement modes.
It also integrates advanced calculation functions, including area, volume, and Pythagorean theorem, alongside addition and subtraction capabilities. Unit conversion is available for distance, area, and volume, allowing seamless switching between meters, feet, and inches to suit different requirements. User convenience is enhanced with features such as datum selection, a beeper alert, and historical data storage for up to 30 groups. Data dump functionality and error code prompts further streamline operation, while battery voltage and quantity display keep users informed of power status. The PG-60 is equipped with smart energy-saving functions, automatically turning off the laser after 30 seconds of inactivity and shutting down the instrument after 120 seconds. Powered by a Li-ion rechargeable battery, it delivers more than 20,000 measurements on a full charge, ensuring long-lasting performance. Built for durability, the device operates reliably within a working temperature range of -10 degrees Celsius to +40 degrees Celsius and can be stored safely between -20 degrees Celsius and +65 degrees Celsius. Its laser type of 500 to 690 nanometers and Grade 2 classification ensures safe and precise measurement with a single measurement time of just 0.5 seconds. Compact, efficient, and adaptable, the Surgoal PG-60 digital laser distance meter provides a comprehensive solution for accurate distance, area, and volume measurement across professional and personal applications. Coming in at number 2 is the Snakol digital laser distance meter. The Snakol digital laser distance meter is a versatile measuring tool designed to deliver precision and convenience across a wide range of applications. With its single measurement mode, users can quickly capture exact distances at the press of a button, supported by real-time measurement functionality and simple one-button operation for ease of use. Built to withstand demanding environments, the device carries a dust and waterproof rating of IP54, ensuring reliable performance in both indoor and outdoor settings. For extended tasks, the continuous measurement mode allows users to move the device while recording, automatically calculating maximum and minimum values for efficient data collection. The Snakol meter also offers advanced calculation features. In area measurement mode, users can measure length and width separately, with the device automatically computing the area. For volume measurement, length, width, and height are recorded to provide instant results. Additionally, the tick measurement function enables accurate calculation of sloping and horizontal edges, automatically determining height for complex structures. Data management is streamlined with the ability to store up to 20 sets of measurements, allowing users to save and review results at any time. This makes it easy to track progress across multiple projects without the need for manual recording. Compact, durable, and efficient, the Snakol digital laser distance meter combines advanced measurement modes with user-friendly operation, making it a dependable tool for professionals and DIY users alike. And finally, our top pick, the Nohawk KL01 digital laser distance meter. The Nohawk KL01 digital laser distance meter is a precision tool designed to simplify measurement tasks with accuracy and ease. Featuring a clear digital display, it provides quick and hassle-free readouts, enhancing efficiency in both professional and personal projects. Its ergonomic design ensures comfortable handling, with a compact form that fits naturally in the palm, making it suitable for extended use without fatigue. This thoughtful construction allows users to operate the device with confidence and convenience across various environments. Accuracy is a defining characteristic of the KL01. Delivering precise measurements with a margin of 0.001 meters, it ensures reliable results for tasks that demand exact dimensions. Whether used in construction, interior design, or DIY projects, the device consistently provides dependable readings. Powered by a rechargeable system, the KL01 eliminates the need for constant battery replacements, offering continuous operation and portability. This feature makes it a practical choice for users who require consistent performance without interruption. To meet diverse measuring requirements, the SL01 is available in multiple range options, including 30M, 50M, and 60M. This flexibility allows users to select the model that best suits their specific needs, from smaller indoor spaces to larger outdoor applications. Compact, efficient, and highly accurate, the Nohawk KL01 digital laser distance meter combines advanced technology with user-friendly design, making it a dependable solution for precise distance measurement across a wide range of tasks. That's a wrap on the top digital laser distance meters. Be sure to check the price link in the description, and don't forget to like and subscribe to Cool Product for more helpful reviews and product guides.